What's good, guys? Today is Sunday as usual. I'm just going to quickly run you down through my trade. I did not really enter any trade this week because all the trade I saw was just either missing my entry or I just totally missed it. Let's get on the screen to yeah, this is it. This is trade from Monday. I actually saw this on the 1 hour. Saw this push on the 1 hour to the downside. Look at this movement that followed. So I went to the 5 minutes, waiting and hoping for a move to the upside, but I did not really get any move to the upside on the 5 minutes, to a fair value gap to enter on the 5 minutes. But I just missed this on the 1 minute. This is the push. Look at this is Monday. This was the push downward. The fair value gap that I created on the 1 minute. And it did not even occur to me to just go on the 1 minute and look for fair value gap. After that, I just tapped it in that fair value gap range and then shot up. This is around 7 pips lost or that I missed here, basically. So the next trade is on Tuesday. On Tuesday, I don't take any trade on Tuesday also, but I saw the move on the 1 hour. Look at this massive move. That was just crazy. But after that move, it did not give me any fair value gap, and it was already late. This was around 4 o'clock that the move showed reversal, and it did not really create a fair value gap till after. This is like 6 o'clock. It's like 5 o'clock. Okay, no, that's 6 o'clock. That's 6 o'clock. That was when it created a fair value gap, and I could not enter anymore because it was already late. A few hours to the market closure, so I can't even enter on this fair value gap right here. Look at this. It should have been a losing trade or even a break-even trade, but that was just it. I did not enter that trade on Tuesday, but then we come on to Wednesday. This is something I used to trade in the past. I was just speculating on it. I was not thinking of taking it, but I saw it. I thought it was going to come down and make my push, my 1 hour push. That was Wednesday. I thought it was going to make that push, but it did not. It did not make the push. This is Wednesday. Yeah, this is it. Look at this. This was the 1 hour time frame. I was hoping it after this is just push and sweep this liquidity down here. This 1 hour liquidity that I was supposed to sweep for it to show upward trend that it was going to reverse. But look at just after this it could not sweep, so it swept like a 5 minutes fair value gap from a few minutes ago. Crazy, really. Yeah, this was it. I don't even think that's a fair value gap. That's not even a fair value gap. So I was just speculating and hoping for it to just sweep the liquidity down below and just give me a fair value gap for entry. After a while, I just tapped that it's 3 level and just went up. This is another 80 pips. I was not planning on entering that, so I don't count that as a missed trade. And on Thursday, I don't say anything because Thursday was actually a ranging day. Look at this. The market didn't even break out of this range throughout. It was just ranging and did not even give me a real move or push anywhere. But this is a short push, not really strong enough for me to endorse. Let me see. Okay, this is the 5 minutes. So yeah. This was a push that I don't think I will have been in. Anyways, that was that Thursday trade. Look at this is the push. Look at the fair value gap I created on 1 minute around here. So I don't think I will have entered anything on Thursday either. I know, but on Friday was actually a particularly crazy day because if you look at this trade on Friday that I was looking to enter. Normally, after the 1 hour push, the move was so strong on the 1 hour that I was thinking, yeah, this was my first trade on this week, and this is going to be a profitable trade. But look at this. it's not any stop loss, but I'm just saying, look at this push the upside, sweeping this long time support resistance level. When I went to the 5 minutes to wait for the fair value gap, look at this fair value gap that I was looking to enter on. You can see where around there, this fair value gap between that is a 3 level. You can see it between those two ranges. Yeah, between this 83 level and this 75 level, that was where the fair value gap was set. If this also, I just said the other year, I said the other one was waiting for it to just come back, tap me in, and just we are home for profit. But look at this. After a while, it just the fair value gap, this candle right here, just shot up. I was thinking it was going to sweep me in, but it did not, and just went down straight to TP. I was so devastated that day. This has just been back and forth for me. Like 2 weeks now, I've not been able to trade and see. I've not even entered any trade. Like 2 weeks now, I'm not in a rush to enter any trade. But I'm just saying, all this missed trade is really something that can really mess someone's psychology. Yeah, it's really crazy because when you believe your strategy and you are ready to take it no matter what, if you see it, that's what I believe in. If I see my strategy in the chart, I'm just going to take it. I'm not going to hesitate because I've done this well at that. I've really been struggling before that. I'll see my trade and I'll be thinking twice, what is this work? I've created this system where if this then that should be that trading should be that simple. If this happens on the chart, then I'll do this, I do that. It's that simple. That's what I want to be doing for moving forward. So if you guys like my video, do well to like, do well to subscribe and follow for more. I'm going to be dropping some videos on psychology and prop firm trading. So if you think this video is okay, just like the video and follow for more. I'll catch you later.